Okay, this is day 2 of the Decoder Buddy Loc 5 sound install in a Athearn P42. Got the decoder on today. Hope that's installed correctly. Again, it just slips over the pins of the Decoder Buddy. Today I connected the speaker, just an iPhone speaker here, and I had to make mounts for the speaker. I used an old DC locomotive light board as a mounting surface and some double-sided tape. Again, I hope I wired that correctly. This is pretty loose. It's okay, it's not going to go anywhere though. I had to make these mounts only because the shell of the locomotive is not very tall. There was no way I could mount a decoder plus speaker on top of the motor, so I had to make these mounts to clear the towers and the motor. If I just get the shell for a moment, you can see what I'm talking about. So there's the shell. Let's move the locomotive out of the way. There's the shell. If I just put the locomotive, you can see there's not much room left. Same goes for the rear of the locomotive. So my next step is going to be lighting. So I have this connector here, and it looks like, according to the literature, that the top 6 holes and the bottom 6 are the common connections, the blue wire, and then the rest would be your function wires. And then it just sort of slips on over top of these pins here. So the next step, as I said, is lighting. There's quite a few lights in this locomotive. We have a headlight, and some ditch lights, reverse lights. Might throw in a cab light or two. There's some reverse lights as well. So quite a bit of lighting to go in this locomotive. So again, I think what I have to do is just wire the blue wire, blue wire to each of the 6 at the top and 6 at the bottom, and then wire in my functions to each LED, put it over the pin, and then I can start programming. Anyways, that's where we're at with the locomotive now. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye.